Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you the unboxing of Myfitness peanut butter. I have ordered the Myfitness peanut butter from Amazon. If you want, I will give the link in the description box. Please do check that. When you open the Amazon box, inside you will find another box. The box looks like this, and on the box itself you can see the sticker Myfitness peanut butter, and the price you can see over here. This box is taped. Over here you can see the tape. Let's remove this tape using the knife. On the box, you can see the Myfitness logo. Let's open the box. Inside, you can see the Myfitness peanut butter. The packaging is too good. It doesn't get destroyed during the transportation. And here you can see the Myfitness peanut butter. High protein, 325 grams. And don't think, just eat. The peanut butter from Myfitness comes in this box. Here you can see that original peanut butter, crunchy. And the net weight, 1.25 kgs. And coming to the other side, you can see the ingredients list: roasted peanuts, brown sugar, pink Himalayan salt, stabilizer, and the allergy information. Below that, you can find the nutritional facts. And here you can see made in India and original American recipe. And the price is also mentioned on the box, $6.49, best before 24 months. On the top of the box, you can see the manufacture date and the expiry date. On opening the cap, you can find the seal. You need to open this seal. I'm using the knife to remove the seal. On opening the seal, you can see the peanut butter. I have used the peanut butter previously, so it is my second purchase. The quality of the peanut butter is too good, and you can see the consistency. It is very thick. It is not like other peanut butters which are available in the Indian market. The consistency and the quality and the taste of Myfitness peanut butter is too good. So that's it guys. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.